A very good morning, student. As you all know, we already started with lesson number 7, that is correspondence with debenture holder. And in this we have already finished the first specimen letter, that is under which circumstances the secretary has to enter into the correspondence with debenture holder. So we have finished the first specimen letter, that is informing the participant about allotment of debenture. Today we are starting with the second, informing the participant about the allotment of debenture, and the second letter, that is informing about payment of interest. So when a particular member invests in the company or purchase the debenture of the company, they get interest on it. On interest is given the companies in a two form. Interest two form में दिया जाता है, either by issuing interest warrant, and second one is electronic payment of interest. So we will be seeing this letter one by one, so pay attention. Okay, but before that, let us cover some important question as we always do before we start the letter. So there are some questions for you. Okay, first, what do you mean by interest? Next, what are the debenture holders of the company called? Does interest depend on profit of company? So here are the answers to the question. First one, what do you mean by interest? So interest is a revenue or source of income on the money invested. It is a return on investment. ये क्या है? तो एक return on investment है. Okay. Second one, what are the debenture holders of the company called? ने क्या बोला जाता है? The debenture holders of the company called as creditor of the company. Okay. Next, does interest depend on profit of the company? So interest is a debt. Interest क्या है? So it is does not depend on the profit of the company. ये company के profit के ऊपर depend नहीं करता. So I hope with this question you are clear with what we are covered in the topic which is coming. Okay. So payment of interest. The debenture capital is a loan or a borrowed capital of the company. The debenture holders are the creditors and get fixed rate of interest as a return on their investment. So investment does not depend upon the profit. So company can pay interest, the interest through interest warrant sent along with the letter. This letter contains details such as number of debenture, distinct number of gross amount of interest payable, TDS deductible, net amount of interest payable, etc. So board resolution is required for the payment of the interest on debenture. So basically class, as you all see these questions, we already covered before I started of the topic. So basically whatever things we will be included in the same as studied for issue of shares, for allotment of share also. So the company will paying interest by issuing interest warrant, which will contain details like how many debentures have been issued, what is the lot number of debenture, what is the gross amount of interest given on that, the TDS. This we have already covered in the tax deducted as SOS. Okay. So all this information will be given to you is in that. Okay. The board resolution is required for the payment of interest on the debenture. So we will be covering these two letters. The company pays interest through an interest warrant, or it is pay in an interest in the form of electronically. So moving forward with the first letter, when the company issue interest warrant, so this is how the format will look like. Okay, ये format है उसका. So Royalta India Limited, this is the company name, and register address and CIN number given to you, the corporate identity number. On the right hand side, website, email address and date are given to the debenture holder. Over here, debenture holder is Mrs. Divya Saluja. Okay. The address is also given over here. Subject, payment of interest on debenture. Dear madam, I am directed to inform you that the debenture of the director of the board of director has passed a resolution in a board meeting which was held on 5th June 2019, and the letter is written, okay, regarding the payment of interest on your 10% non-convertible debenture of 100 rupees each. So Mrs. Diya Saluja has a purchase 100 debenture of rupees 100 each, which carry 10% non-convertible debenture. So the details of the payable to you interest are given over here. First one is folio number, that is C240. Second one is there are 100 debentures which are issued to Mr. Diya. The distinctive number are lot number from 6061 to 700. The interest received is 1000 rupees. Okay, so basically 10,000 ka 10%, because Mrs. Diya has purchased 100 debenture of 100 each, which sums up to 10,000 rupees. On that 10,000, 10% interest is calculated, so it is come up to 1,000 gross amount of interest. The TDS is 10%. Okay, then on the TDS is 10% on interest, but here it is within the limit, so it is nil. Okay, the net amount of interest is also 1,000 rupees. The interest warrant number is also given over here, that is IW9646. The interest warrant is enclosed here with, please detach the interest warrant along the perforated line. Okay, thanking you, yours faithfully, for Rolta India Limited, signed by the company secretary Mrs. Simran Unecha. Okay, and enclosure here, that is interest warrant. So the letter is quite simple, as I hope you all have followed how the company issue an interest warrant and inform the debenture holder. This is one kind of payment of interest. Okay, now the second letter focus on the electronic payment. So electronic payment is done either by ECS, that is electronic clearance services, or NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, etc. So let us see what is the performer of this particular letter. So Bajaj Steel Limited, the registered address along with the CIN number, left hand side carries phone, fax and reference number, and right hand side carries website, email address, and the date was 12th March 2019. Okay, Mrs. Amruta Dikshit, and her address is given here. Subject, payment of interest on debenture electronically through ECS or NEFT. Dear madam, I am instructed by the board of director to convey to you that the board has passed a resolution in the board meeting held on 10th March 2019 finalizing to you pay interest at the rate 10% on redeemable debentures of 100 rupees each for the year ending 31st March 2019. So the board has decided to pay a resolution on 10% redeemable debenture of 100 rupees each. Your company has complied with all the provisions related to the payment of the interest on the debentures. The details of the interest payable to you are follows. Okay, So first one is register number C440. Number of debenture is 100. Distinctive number given. Lot number is from 16001 to 700. The gross amount of interest is rupees 1000. TDS is not applicable over here. So the net amount of interest is also 1000 rupees. Interest will be paid by electronic transfer, that is by crediting the said interest to your bank account as per the detail provided by you to the company. Okay, so thanking you, yours faithfully for Bajaj Steel Limited, signed by the secretary Mr. Nikhil Dikshit. So it is clear, the format is very simple again. So as per the board resolution, whatever is being decided by the board of director in the board meeting related to the secretary, write the letter to the debenture holder stating what amount of interest, what amount of percent of an interest is being declared on how much amount of debentures held by each debenture holder. So with this class, we end with our second specimen letter, and they are quite easier to remember and practice. So keep practicing them 2 to 3 times in your notebook as a homework. So we stop here class for today, and I hope you all understand the 2 letters we have finished. So we will be meet next week for the further letters and completing the topic for the C. So till then, take care and thank you so much for listening to me.